alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. IslamTalk with Farina Siddiqui. This world is created by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we are okay with that. We all agree with that, right? We have no problem understanding, accepting that yes, He is the only creator who created this universe, entire universe, or maybe multiple universes, as the creator, right? As the most capable and only available, able creator. 100%, right? Good. Even the people who actually are completely towards the atheist zone do understand and accept that there is a cause and effect, and the creation happened. It was done by only one creator. The problem arises where people do not accept Him as the commander as well. They accept Him as a creator, but they don't accept Him as a commander. And this is where the problem lies. Why? Because Allah should be accepted as the only creator, as the only commander, as the only sovereign of this entire universe or the multiple universes. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the only caretaker. He is the only able, capable God who controls the affairs of this universe, who controls the affairs of you and I, our lives, and He should be respected, followed, obeyed, and subjected just like that. He should be obeyed because of that. If we don't understand this complete combination of our submission to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we will always be in trouble, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not let us ride to the train towards Jannah. Remember this, He is the creator, He is the commander, He is the controller, and we must follow all His rule just like He, and we must follow all His rule just like He expects us to follow, because Islam means complete submission, and the complete submission does not happen, will not happen until we actually accept, adopt, follow, and practice all Allah's rules. If you have a problem with any of the rules, if you have an issue with any of the commands, then you're not settling in well in Jannah. Like, share, tag and follow. More topics to come. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.